Hello, we are back, Tuesday, and was not supposed to start a video, but I have this job. It's a JBL Link 10, and I search on YouTube. Basically, when I have new jobs, which I don't know nothing about them, I never fix them. I will check on YouTube to see how the people they open these things. So I check on YouTube, and there's no video about this JBL Link 10 speaker, like to be open or a charging port replacement. So I suppose I will do this video now, yeah. The problem with this one, if we plug the charger, let's plug the charger. You can see here it's taking no power, no current, yeah. The charging port looks like it's gone. I'll try to start the microscope and see. The fault is kind of clear, you know, this is a charging port problem. Okay, so we have the charging port. The charging port actually is good, I think. But look on the middle. This is not supposed to move like that, yeah? So yeah, we have a charging port problem. But I have no idea how this can be opened. Looks easy because it's on this side, so hopefully this speaker can get open from this side. I don't want to damage the speaker. Okay, so it's kind of weird when you open something for the first time. It looks like this is thick on the back. Okay, wow. It has 4 screws. Do you think it's so easy? What is here? You know what, I don't even care what is here. I want to open these screws to take this cover out and solder back the charging port. Actually, that's all what we have to do, to solder the charging port. You know what's the thing with the portable Bluetooth speakers? Because it's a hard job to be opened, actually the job is quite, you know, it's quite expensive. So the money are good from these kind of jobs. Oh yeah. Okay. The charging port is here. Okay, now I want to know what is here. Let's open this bit. And don't tell me this will give you access to the charging port. Really? Okay, that's crazy. Yeah, so you can take the charging port board out from here. It's incredible how simple is this one, but you still have to take out the cables. You have a ribbon cable here inside. The blue one, yeah. And this connector. And you have one more here, another ribbon cable. But I don't need that. So simple. So we got the board out. Wow, that's unbelievable, because all the USB Bluetooth speakers are very hard to be opened and to go inside of the charging port. Okay, let's see what the problem is with this one. Yeah. Okay, the fault is clear. Oh, you can't see. Sorry. Let's try to make it on focus. Okay. So you can see the pins from the charging port. The only solder is this one. Okay, here you have to do some solder jobs, and here on the pins. And this one, yeah. So this is plus here, yeah? And this is minus, this is ground. I suppose we have to rebuild that track. We have the data lines. So it's no point replacing this charging port when actually the problem is not with the charging port, yeah? Let me get my solder iron and rosin flux. Well, let's try to do some magic. We have a button, probably some reset button here. Flux, a lot of flux. Flux is good. Flux is your friend. So the pins are soldered on place. Nicely, we have to rebuild this track. Then I want to solder the back pins. Give me 1 second to get the solder wire. Who knows, maybe someone need a video like that to know how this speaker is getting open. Okay, that's good. That's good. We need a wire. Perfect. Yeah. Where's my cutter? It's nothing to clean. Here is rosin. Rosin is good. Let's see on like water damage event. Actually, the rosin will protect the board. Let's see if it's working. Yeah. Put the board back. It's quite nice, you know. So actually, the manufacturer realized he has any device has an issue with the charging port, and he provide this kind of access on the charging port. Now look at the speakers inside. One here, and I think 2 more here. This is a passive speaker. You know, many people they believe, you see this big speaker, this is like this kind of shape, like this. Actually it's a speaker, but it's a passive speaker. So you can see I'm pressing that speaker, but it's not actually a speaker. Yeah. So actually it's just the membrane, and the membrane is pushed by the pressure of these speakers, the active speakers. So don't get fooled if you, I don't know, if you are looking for a proper review of these speakers. So how this is supposed to be here? Okay, like that. Because most of the time, you know, the people reviewing the speakers, when they see like a membrane, they believe it's a, actually it's a active speaker there. It's a passive one. Okay, so we need to put this back somehow. So what we are doing wrong here? This is inside. That's good. Let's put back this bit. Actually, there are speakers, you know, Bluetooth speakers. It's just you need like over 1 hour just to go inside, yeah. And I said no to that job. You know what? No, no way. Long jobs. Obviously, if it's a long job, it will be expensive for the customer. But yeah, because there's no video there with this JBL Link 10. This will be a nice one. Maybe someone somewhere is looking on YouTube for a video with this speaker. I know it's not really much to learn from this video, but who knows, maybe on one day you'll have this kind of job. Easy. Can't believe how easy is that job, this job. I think I can't even charge the money what I ask for this repair. Just because it's too easy. We should check the charging port? Yeah, let's check it. And the speaker is taking 1.4 amps. You see here, current. So it's charging fine. And you have the charging light here. Yeah. So now the speaker is okay. Wow, this was an easy one. Look, the sticky thing. Incredible easy. It's coming on? Maybe not. Maybe the battery is too low. Still charging, 1.1 amps. Yeah, you can see there. But I don't know how this works. It's not doing anything. 1.4 amps. We still have the charging light. Or maybe the battery is too low. I've seen a lot of young guy, you know, carrying these speakers and listen music, so I think this is an important things on the teenager life. A Bluetooth speaker. Oh, doesn't mean it's on. Let's check on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Okay, sorry for that. Bluetooth. Okay, let's check. Let's find on. Probably we have to press the Bluetooth button. This one? Probably not, huh? Maybe. So the Bluetooth light is flickering. Maybe the owner changed the name. Let's see. It's connected. Yeah. The owner changed the name of the speaker. Okay, music. Music. Hmm? Wow. It's working. Okay. So I suppose it's fixed, yeah? Okay. So that's all. Yeah. Just if you have this speaker, it's very easy to... What? Okay. How do I stop it? It's very easy to be fixed, yeah? Okay. I think that's all for the moment. We'll see what jobs do we have here so we can do another video, different video. But anyway, like and subscribe if you like the video and see you on the next one, yeah? Bye.